Hi, welcome to this new video tutorial. Today I'm going to play a bit with the latest versions of Angular that we have today. It should be probably Angular 20. The last time I worked with Angular was Angular 15. Now I'm trying now to build a small to-do applications with the latest versions of Angular. So in order to do these small projects, what we have to do is to check first the versions of Angular that we have. So ng versions. Here is Angular 19. So Angular 19, and when we go online and try to type here Angular, okay, and come here, what do we have? So if we go here, we see like we have the latest versions here is Angular 20. And if we go here, we can see how to install it. So here is how to install it, and the prerequisite here is Node 20 or newer. And let's check the versions of Node.js that we have. So if we type here Node, should be also Node versions. So we have here is Node 20, 18, and we needed 19 or newer, but let's should be around, yeah, should be 20, can work. So let's try to test a bit and see if we can install the latest versions of Angular. So what we have to do is type npm install. So npm install global at Angular /CLI at latest. This should work. And so it's loading. What do we have here? Some warning. Okay, we have 117 package have been installed, 39 have been removed, 230 change, everything in 16 seconds. So now if we type again ng versions, so Angular require minimum of this one, so we need to update the versions of our Node.js, so it cannot work. So what we have to do, so it didn't work, so we have to update our Node.js. So what we have to do now is to use nvm install. Then the version that is needed here is 20.19 20.19.0. This one is not working, so nvm install. What do we do now? nvm is not working. Okay, what we do, we don't have nvm versions install. So nvm is not even installed in our computer. So one thing we can do is so we can go to the Node.js. Let's try to, instead of going through, let's go to Node.js here and get the latest node. Let's take the installer. Oh, here is okay. Here is the even latest versions. Here is okay. Here is the LTS versions, and let's download that one. Was it? Yeah. Okay, we have the latest LTS. This 22. Let's try with that. Let's try to install it and see what happened. So we install it. Yes. Close applications here. Node.js runtime is running. So what we can do now is to close this one. Close applications. So the installation is taking place. Okay, yeah, it is finished now. We have successfully installed our Node.js. Finish it, and now if we open again this CMD, what happened when we type node versions? Okay, here we have versions. You have versions 22.18, and here we needed 20 or the newest versions of Angular of Node.js. Now we can now try to install it. So now if we try to install our Angular, so here we try with npm install and g at Angular CLI at latest. What do we have now? It's loading. Okay, it has been installed, and then now we type ng versions. Great, here we have the latest versions of Angular, which is Angular 20. Now what we have to do now will be to start developing our app, and in order to do that In order to do that, we need to do a couple of things. We need to start our VS Code. Here is our VS Code now, and then here we go to the terminal of our VS Code. It's taking some time to load. Okay, it's okay if we type again here ng versions. What do we have? Okay, it's good. We are good to go. Now what we need to do now will be to go to I will choose a directory in C drive. Here, okay, under this Angular 20. So let's go to the D drive, git repo Angular 20, make my to-do app, so we get into that. And then so what we have to do now is to create a new app. So we type here ng new to do app. And then is here a prompt for, we need to choose the style sheet format that we would like to use. So it is the default one. And then here, do we want to enable the SSR? No. And then do you want to create zoneless applications? Okay, I will say no. And then it's interesting here. So which AI tool do you want to configure with Angular best practices? Blah, 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 blah. And for now, I will say I will choose none. Interesting how the AI tools has been integrated into this latest versions of Angular. So it's installing the package. It will take some time. Okay, has been successfully installed. What do we have? Okay, our app is created. So what we have to do now is to move into to do app, and then if we type ng-save open to launch it, what do we have? It's building. Okay, it's running on the this URL here. Now if I just go here and type local host 4200, here, boom, here is our default application. So yeah, congratulations to you if you are follow up to now. So we have succeeded now to launch our default applications. So this video is taking longer now. So in this step here, what we have done is we have installed the latest versions of Angular 20 in our system. We also updated the Node.js to the latest versions, which is the LTS 2022, version 22. And then we have created these default applications and launched it. So I will stop this video for now. In the next video, what we are going to do is we will try to start our development and build our to-do applications. So stop now, stay tuned for the next part.